Luna Classic is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Before I get started on this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. What a journey it has been, and I really appreciate each and every one of you subscribing to the channel. So for those of you that haven't done it yet, make sure to do so. If not, that's cool. We're good. Anyway, so have a look at Luna Classic. I didn't make a video yesterday because of the fact that we really weren't seeing any sort of price action. But as of right now, we have entered a very interesting range. You can see that I mentioned the fact that if Luna Classic were to test the 16 level and break that level, we could be looking for a massive move. As of right now, we do have a 3-test confirmation currently being tested on that 16 support. So any move to the downside ideally would give us that confirmation to start looking for a possible shorting entry to around that 14 mark. As you guys already know from my previous price analysis, the reason why I'm looking at that 14 mark specifically is because of the fact that we have only seen a 1-test confirmation. Ideally, a second and third test confirmation would mean the fact that we would be looking for a continuation higher. Because of previous price analysis, you can see that this level specifically here at the 14 on the daily time frames has been tested multiple times. Before we had this massive move to the upside, you can see that we tested this level as resistance. So if Luna Classic wants to find a bottom formation at this level, we would have to consolidate and at least test it multiple times. You can see from previous price analysis, I have been mentioning the fact that this 86 level down here, if this level were to be broken, is a much more better support zone. But we have to keep in mind the fact that the reason why the 86 level was a strong support, because on the daily time frames we tested that level multiple times. If we were to see the same sort of formation at the 14 level, we have only seen a 1-test confirmation, so we could be looking for a consolidation zone for a few days before finally breaking either above or creating the next leg to the downside. If we go on the hourly time frames for Luna Classic, I did want to talk about a few things. Number one, of course, being the fact that you can see we did have this beautiful bar formation on the hourly play out almost perfectly, and then we saw a nice pullback. I was waiting for CPI data to obviously play out yesterday, and you can see that we did have somewhat of a small wick to the upside, but immediately after we started to see this level of 17 act as resistance. You guys already knew on the hourly time frames the fact that this hourly level was a very strong support. You can see that we were bouncing below that level immediately, and then we saw the strong bearish move set. So this level was going to act as a strong resistance point as well. But you can see that Luna Classic tried to break above this level 3 times and then had the bearish confirmation to the downside. As of right now, any clean confirmation below this 16 last support in the midterm for the hourly time frames would mean the fact that we are ready to continue pushing on lower, and I would be expecting a small bounce at the 14 level because of the fact that in terms of RSI we would be at the oversold area. I do want to also point out that, of course, in terms of a bullish case scenario, we would have to try to break above this 18 level, find it as support, and a continuation. If that is not, of course, valid, then there's absolutely no reason to be looking for a long position on Luna Classic. Looking at price analysis previously, you can see that pretty much every green wick that we had over here, in terms of even previous price analysis back over here in October, was an opportunity to be looking for that shorting opportunity. You can see we had the same sort of wicks before continuing on to the downside. So this wick, even that we received recently in the 18 mark, was another opportunity to continue pushing on lower. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.